Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to get Discord notifications to pop up on PC. Discord pop-up notifications help you stay informed about new messages, mentions, and server activity while using your PC. If notifications are not appearing, the issue may be related to Discord settings or Windows notification preferences. Now, follow these steps to enable Discord pop-up notifications on your computer. To begin, open the Discord application on your PC. Sign into your account if prompted. Click the user settings icon or the gear icon near the bottom left corner. Choose notifications from the settings menu. Turn on enable desktop notifications, then enable unread message badge if you want additional alerts. Verify that notifications are not muted for the service you use. Now open Windows settings and select System. Click Notifications. Make sure notifications are enabled for Windows. Scroll down and confirm that Discord is allowed to send notifications. Disable Focus Assist or Do Not Disturb if it is active. Send the test message or ask a friend to message you to verify notifications appear. Then restart Discord on your PC if notifications still do not pop up. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.